Okay, in this video, we are going to show you how you can add your link to your Google Maps in your wedding invitation. So when you get your wedding invitation, when you purchase it, you'll get the link. This is your invitation up here where it says St. Anthony's Church or wherever you are holding your wedding. In order to get the link here, you're going to go to Google Maps first. Go to Google Maps. In the search button, you're going to type in your church. You'll hit enter. Down here, it will give you the share button. So click on that. And right here, it's going to say copy link. So you will click on that. You will go back to your wedding invitation. Here where it says Google Maps, we click on it. You see these three dots. You would click on that. You scroll till you see link here, and then you're going to right click, paste, or control V. Then you're going to hit done, and you're going to hit done again. And you'll notice now that Google Maps has the word underline. It means it's now linked. If you click on it, you will see here. If you don't want that underline, you just come over here and you just unclick it. And there you go. So to validate, you would click on here, and you could actually click on the Google Map thing. It'll actually load it up, and it'll tell you here in your Google Maps, and then you just hit direction and then start the video or the map GPS where you are going for your wedding. This is very helpful for those guests who are out of town. So that's how you would put in your Google Map link. The other option is if you don't use those three dots, you could right click, and as well, it will say link. It says edit right now because we already put the link, but that's where the other option is. So if we wanted to reverse this to show you the second one, so now we have no link. Again, right click, link, and same thing. Paste it in there, done, done. And again, it's underlined, you can remove that underline. So you have those two ways of how you can do it. The three dots, or you right click and hit link, but you go into Google Maps, you type in where your wedding's going to be, and you hit that share button, and then you copy your link here. Hopefully that helps you figure out where to put your link for your Google Maps for your wedding invitation. If you like this video, please let me know, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to more videos of tips, tricks, and how to edit your invitation.